Do you want to understand real English conversations when meeting new people?
Or maybe you want to feel more confident making friends in English.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about meeting new friends, hobbies, and getting to know someone.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about meeting new people and making friends.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use in real life.
Let's begin.
Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Emily. I'm Paul. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
That's nice.
What about you?
I'm from Australia.
Have you been living here long?
About 2 years.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's a great place.
I agree.
What do you do for work?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds interesting.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
That's wonderful.
Thank you.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and watching movies.
Nice. What about you?
I like traveling and photography.
Really?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
That sounds fun.
Do you have any hobbies?
I also enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Pasta.
I love pasta. Most people do.
Very true.
Do you play any sports?
Sometimes I play basketball.
That's great exercise.
Definitely.
Have you ever had an awkward first meeting?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
I forgot someone's name after 10 seconds.
Seriously?
Yes.
What did you do?
I avoided saying their name all day.
That's funny.
What about you?
I waved at someone I thought I knew.
And?
It was a completely different person.
No way.
Yes, very embarrassing. We both laughed about it.
That's good.
Sometimes funny moments help people become friends.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Keep practicing English every day.
And don't be afraid to talk to new people.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.